It's the Texas weather discussion video for Friday, the 9th of March. I'm Donovan Neal. We trend warm and very mild through Saturday. Then a cold front comes through during the evening hours on Saturday. And in that case, we should be cool and comfortable for at least the early start of next week. Let's talk more about it. Here's the upper air pattern here. Our current air pattern favors bringing some warmer air to the from the west of us. In that case, we should be warm. We should be warm and mild through Saturday. And for now, we stay in a dry air mass. But temperatures early this morning: Arlington 30, DFW 53. And I think we should warm to the mid 70s today. So this is pretty normal for a mid 70-degree day. Across the nation, most of the coldest air stays to the north of us. As always, take a look at the watch warning map. We have freeze warnings in effect for pretty much the entire state of Alabama and Georgia, and much of the Carolinas and northern Florida. Down here, things remain pretty quiet. Now, this is the convective outlook tomorrow. We have the risk of severe weather defined for southeast Oklahoma towards Tallahassee, Florida. And that standard slight risk includes extends all the way from Texarkana to all the way to Escambia County, Florida. And they are dealing with the risk of severe weather there. But we stay dry for tomorrow, and on day 3, that risk shifts on to which is Sunday. The risk shifts on to the east. This is the average rainfall for the next 7 days. Most of the rain stays in Western California, and down here, we stay dry for the next week. We could see about a trace of rain for any isolated thunderstorm that develops today or tomorrow, but we generally stay dry. So let's go out to the Mala. I'll put this as the GFS. This is the O6Z roundabout today at noon. We have a trough to the northeast of us, and down here we remain dry despite the trough. We stay mostly cloudy skies with highs in the mid 70s. It may stay breezy though, with a south wind of 10 to 20 miles an hour in some places. Saturday, rain develops to the east of us, but we should stay dry and very mild again, with mostly cloudy skies with highs in the low 80s. And on Sunday, that surface low pushes off to the east. Some reinforcing cold air comes in here, but it should be very comfortable on Sunday with highs in the mid 60s. Monday, as the new week begins, it should be very similar throughout the days. Very cool and comfortable with a mix of sun and clouds with highs in the low 60s. Same thing on Tuesday, and same thing on Wednesday. We pretty much stay very comfortable with mix and sun and clouds. Thursday, some places could actually hit 70s on Thursday with a mix in sun and clouds. And here's a week from today, Friday the 16th. We have troughing to the west of us, and down here, we pretty much remain dry with highs in the low 70s. We start the day in the mid 50s. Here's the end of the 10-day forecast period. This is Monday, the 19th of March. We have troughing to the west of us, and down here, it looks pretty dry for us. But you can see for the numbers for the next 15 days, we pretty much warm through Saturdays. Again, most places should touch 80s on Saturday. And then after that, a cold front comes through, bringing in another reinforcing shot of cold air through Wednesday. And then we warm again through March 17th, which is a Saturday. We could touch 80s again, and after that we stay average through late March. That's it for the Texas weather discussion video for today. I'll have more notes in a blog. My next video here should be posted at around 7 a.m. Monday morning. Jonathan Williams, the guy who plays euphonium, should be back with the videos. We should have the blog updates covered this weekend. If you can, catch your local TV stations on the air at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and a great weekend, and Godspeed.